In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username in Talkie AI. If you're updating your brand or just want a fresh handle, the process is quick and simple. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI and press Enter. From the results, click the official Talkie AI website to open it. If you're already on the home page, that's perfect. Our goal is just to get into your account. You may be prompted to sign in. Go ahead and log in so you can access your profile settings. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, often showing your avatar or initials. Click that to open your account options, then choose Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, where you control how your account appears to others. Next, select Edit Profile. This unlocks the fields you can modify. Find the username field and type your new username. For example, you could enter something like AI Mastery. Aim for something short, memorable, and easy to spell. Many platforms work best with letters, numbers, and underscores, and avoiding special characters or spaces can help prevent errors. If the username is already taken or doesn't meet the platform's rules, you'll usually see a message and can try a variation. Consider capitalization carefully. While usernames are often not case-sensitive for login, the display can affect readability. Before you save, think about where this username will appear on your profile, shared links, and visible interactions. If you're building a brand, it's a good idea to keep it consistent with your other social handles. Also, remember that frequent changes might be limited by the platform, so pick something you'll be happy with for a while. When you're satisfied, click Save. Give it a moment to process. If the update doesn't show up immediately, refresh the page. Sometimes it can take a few moments for the change to reflect everywhere. On rare occasions, signing out and back in helps, but that's usually not necessary. Your login credentials remain the same unless you change them elsewhere. This step only updates your displayed username. You're all set. To confirm, glance back at the lower left profile area and make sure the new username appears. If you ever want to tweak it again, just repeat these steps. Open your profile, choose Edit Profile, update the username, and save. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, check out our other guides and enjoy creating in Talkie AI.